little update on the progress of the trip. We just went snorkeling over in a place that direction called the Cave, and now we're here at a place called the Indians. They said that this rock and that rock about 20-something years ago were looked like Indian heads if you looked at them right at the right angle. I was also told that if you were on the right drugs you could see it too, but it doesn't really resemble it much anymore, but the name still sticks. But yeah, we just went snorkeling off this edge. You can actually see a few people right over here, maybe if the camera will pick it up, that are snorkeling there now. But I got some awesome GoPro footage of that, as well as some over there by the caves. There were a little bit more fish over that way, but here was just stunning. The huge rock wall faces that were coming up and down, and then we're also farther out into the ocean here, so there were some bigger barracuda and stuff like that in there as well. I didn't really get much stuff to film yesterday, nor much the day before, just because we had a lot of relaxing. We pulled into a couple bays. I'll probably have a couple short clips of some beaches we were staying at. Just very relaxing, sit on the beach all day, enjoy the weather, and we cooked some steaks on the boat. Last night we went out for dinner, got some delicious food again. Overall, couldn't be happier with how the trip's turning out. But we'll be heading back to the marina tonight to go have some dinner at the marina. Maybe swim in the pool for a little bit, and then get packed up and ready to get on the ferry at like 7 o'clock in the morning. So overall, amazing trip. Couldn't be happier, and hopefully I got enough for you guys to see to enjoy it yourselves. Alright, well, as the final installment of my trip to the British Virgin Islands, standing up here on top of the boat in the marina. It's about 6:15, and we're all finished packing up. We're all very tired, and the last thing we want to do is leave this place. I mean, come on. It's been a fantastic trip. I've enjoyed every single second of it, and can't wait to come back for another. But I'll be keeping you guys posted on the entire way home. We have a taxi to catch, and then a ferry to ride, another taxi to catch, and then a plane, and then a car, and then we should be home. So up before the sun and probably won't be home until after it's down, but every bit of the rough travel is worth the experience. Oh, do one more walk around to the front. Owe it to ourselves. It's been great. Well guys, that about wraps up my trip to the British Virgin Islands. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. It was a great experience for me, not only to go on the trip, but to give me the opportunity to learn how to do all this editing stuff, because it has been quite the process to get these videos out from this trip. But through and through, I'm so glad I got to go on the trip, and I'm so glad I was able to get good content for you guys. And of course, there'll be plenty more content to come in the future, but this was an insane trip, and I'm so glad I was able to get it on camera. I would love to vlog another trip that I take. I have a couple ideas that are in the works for some more videos coming soon in this upcoming year. But you can expect some fishing, some outdoor adventure, maybe some kayaking, and some more trips to come. Once again, I really do appreciate you guys checking out the videos. And since you stayed this long, I kept one clip from the trip that I thought was really cool. And for the people who decided to watch to the end, you get the treat. So I guess enjoy this clip of the mermaid I caught in the wild. And I'll see you guys next time. Later.